Good day. Today we are going to solve about problems of couplings in machine design. The total force of 125 kilonewton is required of a plan's coupling that has 5 bolt, has also a shearing stress of 30 megapascal per bolt. Determine the required bolt diameter. So we have the given force. Total force po natin is 125 kilonewton. Number of bolt is 5 volts. So yung shearing stress po natin is 30 megapascal. So ito po yung example sa ating coupling. So yung couplings po natin, we have 5 volts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ito yun, some sa mga industrial piping po natin. So ito yung ginagamit sa yung flange po natin at ito yung bolt po natin. Yung flange coupling po, ito yung pangdugtong ng dalawang pipe po natin. So, to determine po sa diameter ng ating bolt, so ito yung diameter sa ating bolt. So, ito yung length sa ating bolt, yung height ng ating bolt. So, yung kukunin po dito is yung bolt diameter. Ito po na site yung bolt diameter po natin. So, dito, kunin po natin yung design sa ating bolt diameter. So, to get the force sa ating bolt kasi yung total force po natin is 125 kilonewton. So simply divide by 5 lang. So yung force po sa isang bolt po natin is we have the formula of force. Ang isang bolt is equals to force total ng bolt over the number of bolt. So we have 125 kilonewton total ng force ng ating bolt over 5 volts. So we have 25 kilonewton. Yung shearing stress of ating bolt, so we have the formula of force total over the number of bolts times the area of bolt. And equals po yung shearing stress po sa ating bolt to 2 times torque over the number of bolt times the area of bolt times the diameter of bolt circle. So ito is hindi ito natin ma-apply yung formula na ito kasi wala po tayong torque sa ating problem. So note that our area ng ating bolt is we have pi d squared over 4. So we have the formula of shearing stress force ng ating bolt times number of bolt over number of bolt times area ng ating bolt. So ito na equation is na-equate lang po ito dito siya sharing stress formula po natin ng ating bolt na Ft over Nb times Eb. Dito po ito nakukuha kasi po yung force total po natin is equals to force ng ating bolt times the number ng ating bolt. So, plug in mo lang ito. Ito yung Ft, i-plug in mo itong formula na to. Fb times number of bolt po natin. So, i-plug in dito. So, kaya naging Fb times number of bolt over number of bolt times the area of bolt. So, to continue, so, plug in po natin yung note ng ating area ng ating bolt equals to pi d squared over 4. So, ito, yung area nating bolt. So, i-plug in mo lang ang area ng ating bolt which is pi d squared over 4. Then, next is i-cancel out po natin tong number of bolt kasi number of bolt over na number of bolt is same lang sila. 5 divide 5, 1. So, pwede na i-cancel out natin. So, we have the new formula of force ng ating bolt over pi d squared over 4. So, yung hahanapin natin dito is yung diameter ng ating bolt. So, simply, cross multiply our new equation. So, we have d squared is equals to force 4 times force ng ating bolt over pi times shearing stress. So, to come up the new final formula po natin kasi both side lagyan natin ng square root para cancel out yung squared ng ating D. So we have the new formula of diameter is equals to the square root of 4 times force ng ating bolt over sa pi times sharing stress po natin. So simply plug in po lang natin yung value ng ating force ng ating bolt, then pi, tapos yung uh, value ng ating shearing stress which is 30 megapascal. So we have 4 times 25 kilonewton over pi times 30,000 kPa. So dito is yung instead 30 megapascal, yung ginagawa ko dito is ginawa ko siyang kilopascal na unit kasi po para po mag-cancel out yung kilo natin dito tsaka kilo para hindi tayo malito kasi yung plug in mo itong 30 megapascal so marami ka pang i-adjust na conversion. So yung ginagawa ko na ko to is yung 30 megapascal is ginagawa ko po ng 30,000 kPa para mag-cancel out yung K dito, yung kilo. So to calculate, we have 0.03257 meter. Kasi po yung pascal po dito, yung pascal na po natin, yung unit po dito is yung pascal is equals to Newton over meters squared. So pag ma-squared mo yung meter squared, so maging meter na lang yung naiwan. So after that, gawin po natin ito na in kasi some of the in the board exam, yung choices po is gawin lang yung choices po is naka-in po yung unit. So simply divide mo lang into 1,000 kaya yung the result po, yung final answer po natin is 32.57 mm. Yun po yung final answer.